Dear men, some women cannot be replaced. Their kind is rare. You can't find it anywhere. You can replace anything, but not a woman who prays for you. Of course, you can replace a woman who saw your future when even you were still confused. A woman who decided to build with you when you had nothing. A woman who defends you. A woman who believes in you even when you doubt yourself. Men, hear this. Beauty might be everywhere, but loyalty is rare. It's uncommon. Attraction is everywhere, but alignment is rare. Dear men, do not lose this type of woman because of your ego and pride. I'm talking too much. Guys, hear from my guy.
Dear men, some women cannot be replaced. Just settle it in your head. Let's stop lying to ourselves. Some women cannot be replaced. You can't find their kind anywhere. You can replace a body, you can replace attention, you can replace vibes, but you cannot replace a woman who prayed for you. You cannot replace a woman who saw your future when you were still confused. You cannot replace a woman who saw you when you were broke, insecure, and still building, and she stayed. Some women are not just girlfriends, they are destiny helpers. And there are women that the moment they walk away from your shadow, you will never see light again. I tell you the truth, you will never see light again. They fasted for you. They defended you in rooms where you were not in. Women that believed in you even when you doubted yourself. And you think you can just upgrade. Listen carefully, guys. Beauty is everywhere. Loyalty is not. Attraction is everywhere, but alignment is rare. A woman who respects you, supports your vision, protects your name, guards your peace. Guy, that is not normal. That is favor. Favor in human form. Just say what the Bible says, he that finds a wife, a woman, finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. That is the same way it is that he that loses a wife, this kind of woman, he has lost a good thing and he will not find favor even from God. When you lose favor, you don't replace it, you regret it. Women, listen to me clearly. If he lost you because of pride, ego, and immaturity, you were not rejected, you were released. And the man who understands your value will never treat you as if you are replaceable. All the women out there, click the follow button and follow me. And all the men out there, don't lose a good woman because of ego. Don't lose a good woman because of pride. And all the men, follow me to let me teach you wisdom. And repost this so that every good woman out there will see it. God bless you. You know I'm rooting for you. You know I'm your guy.
Welcome back. Lovelies, you've heard it all. Do not forget to like, share, drop your comment, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Omotayo here again, and from here, I say bye for now.